Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find this hidden gingerbread costume in Dress to Impress winter update. So if you guys didn't know, the winter update in DTI includes a super cute and totally free gingerbread costume like this. And if you missed this is how you can find this costume. So in the DTI main area, what you need to do is just walk through this tables right here when there's this cookie, and if you see it on top, you'll see this little items in here, the gingerbread custom, and you can just click on it to put it on, and this is the gingerbread custom for you. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.